am Mike from Rogala Photography, where we talk about everything photography. You've heard about ChatGPT, how scary it could be, and about all the cool things it can do. But how can we use this AI tool as photographers? How do you supercharge your photography business using ChatGPT? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tips on creating contracts, crafting sales pitches, and creating social media posts will take your photography business to the next level. Let's dive in. Segment 1, creating contracts and forms. One of the most crucial aspects of running a photography business is creating clear and comprehensive contracts. ChatGPT can be a valuable assistant in drafting these legal documents. Here's how. Creating a client information form. Use ChatGPT to generate a detailed client information form. This form can help you gather essential details about your clients, such as their contact information, event details, and specific photography preferences. Contract templates. Draft contract templates using ChatGPT. You can include terms of service, pricing details, usage rights, cancellation policies, and more. Just provide the necessary input, and ChatGPT can help you create professional contracts. Customization. You can tailor contracts to each client by using ChatGPT to generate a personal clauses. This ensures that your contracts address specific needs and concerns of both yourself and your clients. Segment 2, crafting sales pitches. Now let's talk about how ChatGPT can assist in creating compelling sales pitches that grab your potential client's attention. Introduction. Begin with a captivating introduction that highlights your photography style, experience, and unique selling points. ChatGPT can help you refine your opening lines for maximum impact. You can also put that intro on your website, your social media pages, etc. Addressing client needs. Discuss how your photography services address the specific needs of your clients. ChatGPT can help you articulate how you can capture their special moments in a way that resonates with them. Benefits and value. Use ChatGPT to emphasize the benefits and value clients will gain from hiring you. Whether it's a stunning photo, quick turnaround times, or exceptional customer service. ChatGPT can help you communicate these points effectively. Call to action. Create a strong call to action that encourages potential clients to take the next steps. Whether it's booking a consultation or requesting more information, ChatGPT can assist in crafting a persuasive closing statement. Segment 3, additional tips for photography business success. As you continue to elevate your photography business with ChatGPT, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Client communication. Use ChatGPT to draft professional and courteous email responses. Whether it's inquiries, follow-ups, thank you notes, clear communication is the key. Social media content. Generate creative captions and posts for your social media platforms. ChatGPT can help you maintain a consistent and engaging online presence. Blog posts and articles. If you run a photography blog, ChatGPT can aid in generating informative and captivating articles about photography tips, trends, and industry insights. Editing and retouching descriptions. Describe your editing and retouching processes in clear and understandable ways using ChatGPT. This helps clients understand the value of your post-processing work. And let me tell you something, post-processing is probably the hardest part of a photography business. Segment 4, elevating your social media presence. Now let's delve into how you can leverage ChatGPT to enhance your social media game and captivate your audience. Engaging captions. Crafting captivating captions is crucial for grabbing your followers' attention. With ChatGPT, you can brainstorm creative and relevant captions that complement your stunning photography. Hashtag suggestions. Generating a list of relevant and trending hashtags that can amplify the reach of your posts. ChatGPT can assist in identifying the most suitable hashtags for your content. Storytelling posts. Share the stories behind your photographs. ChatGPT can help you articulate the emotions, experiences, and inspirations that went into capturing those remarkable moments. Interactive content. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for interactive posts like polls, quizzes, or challenges that encourage engagement and interaction with your followers. Consistency and planning. Plan your social media content calendar with ChatGPT's assistance. Generate ideas for themed weeks, contests, or a series that maintain a consistent and exciting online presence. Conclusion. There you have it, photography entrepreneurs. By harnessing the power of ChatGPT, boy, that's hard to say, you can streamline your photography business operations and create comprehensive contracts, craft persuasive sales pitches, and even enhance your client communication. Remember, ChatGPT is a versatile assistant that can help you stand out in the competitive photography industry. Strengthening your photography business on social media is now at your fingertips with the power of ChatGPT. By creating engaging captions, using effective hashtags, sharing compelling stories, and planning your content strategy, you can build a loyal following that appreciates your unique photography style. If you found my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. It really does help. Ring that bell if you want to be notified when my next video is posted. Until next time, take care, everybody.